This is really important, kasi cybersecurity now invades every part of our lives. Halimbawa, you're doing e-commerce, transactions, Shopee, Lazada, and these are all forms of digital presence and digital transactions, all of which requires cybersecurity in order to ensure that the transaction is trustworthy and that your own, not only your personal data, but also your own transactions, including your digital assets like your money and your e-wallets, are all secure.
I'm Wilfred Alvarez. I'm with Multiple Links. We have presented today with the Cybersecurity Executive Course, an important event because this is something that needs to be done on a regular basis, frequently as much as possible, because cyber is a changing environment,
Interesting siya kasi yung first day pa lang mayroon ng kinalaman sa cyberwarfare, which is technically, ang alam lang namin within agencies to protect. Pero sinamahan na rin ng mga law at mga short course, crash course in terms of pagdating sa cyber warfare.
Sa ngayon, yung threat ng cybersecurity is evolving every time, pabago-bago. Pati yung risk niya is malaki, malawak yung data na pinag-uusapan. Kaya dapat lagi tayong sumasali sa mga ganitong klaseng event para madagdagan at ma-update din yung mga nalalaman natin about cybersecurity, especially na nasa energy sector kami.
Maraming salamat kay Yusek Jeff and his team. I'm a diplomat, I'm not a technical person, so I thought I should be aware of what our cyber people do in their offices. This has been a very enlightening and very educational 1 week. Today was very exciting, the tabletop exercise. Marami po akong natutunan and I hope to have my colleagues also participate in the future iterations of this workshop and seminar.
Yung last event na nangyari ngayong hapon na to, yung tabletop exercise, it will help improve yung critical thinking, yung mga kailangan mag-decision siya kapag may mga ganitong scenario, ano gagawin mo. So yung mga ganun, mapapractice natin yung mga kasamahan natin sa years.
Then ngayon yung last day is yung simulation. Ito yung tingin kong napaka-beneficial niya. Kasi as IT personnel, ang nasa isip ko puro technical. Pero ang cybersecurity pala ay hindi lang technical. More on how you communicate the risk, the importance of cybersecurity.
So here inside are all government agencies. They're doing tabletop exercises regarding a possible cyber terrorist attack in our airport. Importante na maintindihan ng ating mga government agencies at ng kanilang mga executives kung ano ang gagawin. Ma-practice ka na kung ano yung gagawin mo. It's like, so we also have fire drills, we also have earthquake drills, and this is one form of a cybersecurity drill. Just in case something happens, at least alam ng lahat ng tao kung ano ang gagawin.